Hi friends, we are going to continue with our Sunday system today. We're going to be working on level 9 again. So I would like you to take your Sunday's notebook out. I would like you to write your name, the date you are working on the assignment in level 9. You are going to see that there are going to be repeat lessons of Sunday. However, we'll focus on different components within that lesson. So go ahead and write your name, the date that you're working on this assignment in level 9. All right, once you are done with it, we are going to go ahead and begin our first section. So if you're not done, go ahead, pause the video, finish writing, but we're going to keep moving on in our video. So the first section is read sounds. If you remember from the first video I posted online of our Sundays, I said the sounds along with you whenever the letter or letters appeared on the screen. However, this week I want you to practice and I want you to say the sounds as they appear on the screen. So I'm going to click through the letters that are going to appear on the screen, and you are going to say the sound. And remember, I am going to go at a quick pace because we are trying to build the fluency. I will stop and review a few sounds here and there. So the first one is that AY, which we know makes the A sound. I'll review this too. Just think this is a vowel. Remember, vowel starts with a V. Turn our V sideways. We know that vowels have two sounds. One is short and the other is long. So you should have A and U. Stop and check this one. Remember, right now I'm seeing a doorknob, then a door. We know that's D. So if you said B, check it out. There's a circle, which is our doorknob, then our line, which is our door. So this is in fact a D. Did you get this one? This one has our bat, then our circle, so our ball. The bat is the line, the circle is the ball. We know that this one is B, B. Say two sounds for this one. A, then A. Two sounds for this one too. And this one. All right, awesome job, guys. You rocked it. Now we're on to our second section, which is spell words. For this section, you are going to go to the part that, I'm sorry, this is spell sounds, not spell words. The second section that says spell sounds, and this was my example from the other day. You can use pen or pencil, but remember, if you make mistakes, like I did right here, please cross them out and then correct your mistake beside it so that Miss Johnson can see your notebook and see what kind of mistakes you made. Because you should not be upset if you make a mistake, because mistakes are good. They help our brains get stronger and we can learn from them and share them with our peers, because you might help someone else who may be struggling. So don't be afraid to make those mistakes and be excited to learn from them. So I'm going to go ahead and tell you a sound for this section. To get my notebook out here. And I want you to write the sound on the line. Go ahead and listen as I say the sound, and then you can go ahead and write the sound on the line. And I'm going to go quickly today with saying the sounds. You can write them down. If a parent is around, they can check your work and you can fix your mistakes beside it. If not, put it in your folder and I will go over it when you bring it back to school. So our first sound is I. What letter or letters says I, I. The next sound is D, 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 D. Be careful, you can check by making your bed or think about making your doorknob and your door. Our next sound is I'd like to clarify too, just because I'm saying the sound twice, does not mean you need to write that letter twice. I'm just making sure you hear it. So you only need to write the letter or letters that are making the sound one time on each line. Our next sound, ah, 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 ah. Notice Miss Johnson's mouth gave you a clue when I made that sound. Ah, ah. P, p. Ah, ah. X, x. All right, and our last one is if you hear the long A at the end of a word, what do we use? If we hear a long A at the end of a word, what do we use? There are two letters that are going to work together to make long A. All right, once you have those sounds written down, go ahead and get ready to do our next section, which is read words. There are going to be words that appear on the screen, and you are going to stretch them out and read it out loud. If you get stuck on a word, which I will demonstrate, this is the word but, and if I got stuck on this word, I could stretch it out. B-a-t, but. Now, you do not have to do this for every word if you know the word automatically, and that is our goal. We're trying to build our fluency, and you don't have to stretch it out each time. However, if you're struggling, go ahead and stretch it out. Again, last time we did this lesson online, I read the words with you. This time, I'm going to just have the words appear on the screen, and you guys are going to stretch them out and read them out loud because I don't want to tell you all the answers. So go ahead and give it your best shot. And if you get stuck, use our strategy of stretching out the sounds. I know you can do it, so make sure you're taking your time and really looking at each sound. This one could be tricky. There's a b, b, b at the beginning and d, d, d at the end. Keep it up, and if I'm moving too quickly, you can always pause the video to have more think time for the word. Good job. Okay, I'm going to skip through a couple more sets of words so we can get to our next section. We are going to work on spell words. So you guys did an awesome job building that stamina and reading all those words. And now we are going to try spelling our words. So remember, we're going to our section for spell words. And again, if you make your mistakes, just like Ms. Johnson demonstrated the other day, please cross out the word that you made the mistake on and rewrite it the correct way next to it if you have a parent or a guardian with you working on the lesson, or if it's just you and you want to show Ms. Johnson to check your work, bring it back and I'll take a look at it. All right, so our first word is mop. Mop. Now remember, if you are not sure how to spell it, you can go ahead and stretch out those sounds. P, mop. If you need a little more time as we're working through these words, please press pause, stretch out the word. But I'm going to keep going throughout all words that we're going to spell. Our next one, lay. L-A. Think about, where do you hear that long A? L-A. What should you use to make that long A sound? Our next word, van. Mud. Make sure you check that D. Cup. Hay. And our last one is a sight word we practiced last week, of. Do not stretch out that word. Think about it, because it should be in your memory bank. If you stretch it out, you're actually going to get the wrong sounds or wrong letters down because it does not follow the phonetic sounds. So that one should be in our memory bank, of. Great work. We are going to move on to our sentence. Actually, we are going to skip our sentence today because I do want to introduce this new material. I was going to have you write a quick one, but instead I would like you to focus on this new sound. We have covered this last year, but it's been a while, so I wanted to reintroduce it to you. And it is E-E when they're stuck together. E by itself can say like elbow, or if it has a magic E at the end, or if it's got an A next to it, it can make the E sound as well. But E-E together is going to make the long E sound like in feet. If I stretched out the word feet, I would hear the long E. E, t. So let's practice some more. We look at these words, they all have E-E in the middle. We know that E-E says E. So let's stretch them out. D, E, P, deep. Eed, seed. E-O, real. B-E-P, beep. N-E-D, need. E-P, keep. F-eat, feet. M-eat, meat. Now I'm going to give you a few words to try on your own. So on the very bottom, on the introduce new material, go ahead and write E-E, E-E, E-E on those lines. Pause it if you need some time to do that, but we're going to keep going. And I'm going to give you some words to try it with our long E sound. So let's go ahead. The first word I want you to spell is see. S-E. The next word, meet. This is like, I will meet you in the cafeteria. M-E-T. Feed. F-E-D. Seam. S-E-M. And our last word we're going to try is deep. D-E-P, deep. All right, great work today, guys. Remember to bring back your notebook and your yellow folder.